Tamarind juice, health benefits and risks. Tamarind juice is good for health when consumed in moderation. It is a traditional drink rich in nutrients, but excessive consumption may cause some harm. Improved digestion. It helps regulate bowel movements and relieve constipation and diarrhea thanks to its fiber content. Supports heart health, contributes to lowering bad cholesterol and protecting blood vessels. Rich in antioxidants, fights free radicals and boosts immunity. Blood sugar regulation contains compounds that help control glucose levels. Hydrating the body, ideal for those fasting to reduce feelings of thirst and dehydration. Strengthening the nervous system, due to its richness in magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Aids in weight loss, contains hydroxycitric acid which may inhibit fat storage. The dangers of excessive tamarind consumption. Increased stomach acidity, this may cause heartburn and acid reflux, especially in those with digestive sensitivity. Diarrhea, its laxative properties may lead to diarrhea and dehydration if overused. Raising blood sugar, due to its high content of natural sugars, it may negatively affect diabetics. Drug interactions, it may interact with blood thinners, such as warfarin, diabetes medications, and anti-inflammatories. Allergic reaction, may cause a skin rash or itching in some people. Erosion of tooth enamel, due to its acidic nature. Gallstone formation, excessive consumption may increase the risk of gallstone formation. Tips for safe use. Consume in moderation, 1 cup per day maximum. Do not drink on an empty stomach to avoid heartburn. Consult your doctor if you are taking regular medications or have chronic illnesses. Reduce the amount of sugar added when preparing the drink, or substitute it with honey. Rinse your mouth with water after drinking to protect your teeth from the acids. Choose natural tamarind and avoid artificial varieties full of additives. DigiArts. Wish you good health.